Welcome to Gosau. Today I'm taking you on a walking tour through the rolling hills and green meadows of this enchanting alpine village in Upper Austria. If you are new here, then welcome. We make travel and staycation videos from around the world, hoping you would just find your next holiday inspiration. This is Squirrelonsand, spending 2 magical days in Gosau. Gosau is kind of an hidden gem. Off the beaten path, travelers usually bypass Gosau to go to the more famous town of Hallstatt. Additional tips coming up at the end of this video. The moment we got off the bus, everything felt calm and peaceful, and in that calmness, all we could hear were the cowbells and birds chirping. Just walking through this beautiful valley is rewarding, as you get the mesmerizing views at your every step. This town has a population of 1900 people, and a town as little as this one also has 2 beautiful churches and a chapel. To get an elated view of this town, you can take one of those hiking routes which will take you up or climb up to the chapel. This little town also has an adorable little public park. As you go north, there is town center where you get sports shops for shopping and rentals. There are a couple of supermarkets as well. The Gosaubach stream runs along this road and the footpath is right beside it. There are various hiking routes branching from every road in this little fairyland. As we go further south, there is Gosau Lake, also known as Gosausee, surrounded by Alps and Dachstein iceberg on one end. The main road to this lake Gosausee is a moderate hill, more suitable for electric cycles or cars. There are also hiking routes that take you to the lake. If you have come this far, please leave a like and consider subscribing if you like this sort of content. I would now like to share some tips that will give you a better idea of how to spend your time in Gosau. So let's see how to get to Gosau. Gosau is a 1-hour drive from Salzburg. You can take a bus or drive there. The bus costs around 12 to 16 euros a person. In Gosau there are bus stops at every couple hundred meters. Where to stay? Apart from a couple of ski resorts, which are open in summer as well, there are a bunch of pensions and hotels. Our pension was just a few minutes walk from where the bus dropped us. food, there are quite a few restaurants and cafes. However, if you are a vegetarian, there will be hardly 2 to 3 options to choose from. And make sure you check the opening and closing times before you plan to go to any cafe or restaurant here. Bike rentals and other activities. You can rent out a bike here or a horse and roam around Gosau or take a hiking route.